We have subtraction of polynomials. First, we have to take down the parentheses and we have to look to the sign which we have before parentheses. In this example, we have negative sign. What it means? We have to change the sign every term in parentheses to opposites. When we don't have sign, it means here we have positive. So when we have positive and we have negative sign before parentheses, we have to change the sign to opposite. So it will be negative 3n and negative 7. So we have to copy the beginning, negative 10n, and now, like I said, we have to change every sign in parentheses to opposite. Positive, so now will be negative 3n, and positive 7, so will be now negative 7. In other words, here is like invisible 1. Negative 1 times 3, positive 3, is negative 3. Negative 1 times positive 7 is negative 7. Now we have to combine the like terms. So the same variable, we have negative 10n and negative 3n. N and n. So we have to copy n, and because both coefficients are negative, so the sign will be negative, and we have to just add 10 plus 3 is 13. And we copy constant negative 7. This is my solution.